Hello, this is Mary from the Gardening Cousins in Virginia, Middlesex County, aka Royal Oaks. And let's do a melon check-in. So I'm going to have to do some zip ties. This is the sugar cube. This is the watermelon, and this is the sugar cube, cantaloupe. So I'm going to have to get some zip ties and start training this to go up the trellis like that, like so. There you go, little baby. I see a couple of dry leaves there. But yes, I'm going to have to get some zip ties. That'll be a part 2. So I'm just doing a quick assessment. And then the white potatoes are doing what white potatoes do. Okay. They're just, the leaves, the foliage will continue to grow. We won't deal with this until late September, maybe October. We'll just keep letting it go. Look at that one cabbage is kind of making some headway there. So this is just a quick assessment as far as the squash, potatoes elsewhere. And this is our cucumber. And I just want to show you, see that little baby right there? He's coming along. And then I caught some critters. There's some bugs in here trying to eat up the plant. And I just wanted, anybody knows what these are? Can you see them? They're little, see that? They look like ants and they're moving. Let me know if you know what those look like, okay? I left you with me going away to get some vine ties to tidy up my melons that are coming up. So I just want to show you what that looks like. The tools I needed was this vine sticky stuff here. And what I did is I cut it down the middle so I can have strips, and I needed scissors. And so if I do a close-up, that's what it looks like. So these are the sugar cube cantaloupes that need to go up the trellis. So as you can see, my tying isn't the best, but it does the trick. And if I come over to this side, this is the Crimson Sweet watermelon. So I see the little tie on there, even the little ones, to secure them on the trellis so they can start climbing upward. And that's about wraps it up today. As you see, look at all these beautiful vines of zucchini and the squash. I didn't take you on the whole tour. I told you the cucumbers over there, and we have a lot more on that side of the house of the tomatoes and supporting us. It's good to see you all. See you soon.